Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
This morning, early in the morning today, when Imo were preparing to go to church, some hoodlums plan to turn this beautiful Sunday into a dark one by launching an attack on the capital. The attackers came in a white Homer bus, about 10 of them. When they came into town, they encountered the army and there was a gun battle. And we were able to get the 5 of them that you are seeing out there dead during the encounter.
Back this morning by 4 o'clock a.m. this morning to attack the officers. So along the line now the policemen and the soldier now raised on us. With them, they shot some of the people, and I am the one that is alive now.
I want to use this opportunity to once more reassure the people of Imo State that government is on top of the security situation in Imo State, and people should go about their businesses without fear of any molestation.